Hi everyone, how are you today? Hope you're good. Okay, welcome back to class. How are you doing today? Okay, so today we'll be looking at another food commodity. Yes, another food commodity which is what? Milk. Yes, milk. In our last class, we looked at what? Egg, yes, we looked at egg. We talked about the nutritive value, talked about some dishes you can use egg to prepare. Yes, and we told us that egg has an oval shape or a round shape, and you said some birds produce egg like hen, ostrich, and so on and so forth. Good. So we also said egg is very good in all food nutrients like water. Some of you don't know that the yolk contains a good amount of water. Yes, even fat. Yes, fat is embedded in egg and carbohydrates. It has little percentage of carbohydrates. Okay, it's also very rich in protein. Yes, good source of animal protein is egg, and we also have some vitamins like the B vitamins, okay, thiamine and riboflavin. We also talked about the fact that it has some mineral elements like calcium, iron, and it's good for children. So okay, so today we'll be looking at milk. What's our objective for today's class? I will want you to be able to define milk, types of milk sources, nutritive value of milk, and we'll talk about milk dishes. So are the things that we're expecting from you in at the end of today's class. So, what is milk? What is milk? Okay, milk is a creamy liquid formed by all female mammals for feeding their young ones. Yes, all female mammals. They are used for feeding their young ones. It's a creamy liquid. Creamy liquid. You know that milk has this creamy taste and consistency. Yes, and it's used for feeding young ones. Yeah, let's go to the types of milk that we have. Okay, all right. I told us in the previous slide I said milk can be formed by female mammals, and mammals are animals that do what? Can you remember what mammals are? Yes, animals that feed their young ones with breast milk. Yes, and they give birth to their young ones alive. We call them mammals. Yes, we have human beings and mammals. We have dog. Okay, we have goats. Yes, we have monkey. They give birth to their young ones alive, and they produce milk. Cow also is an animal that produce milk, and majorly the milk we use majorly comes from cow milk. Now we're looking at types of milk. We have five major types of milk I'll be discussing with you in today's class, and they are called skimmed milk. The first one is skimmed milk. The other one is evaporated milk. The third one is condensed milk. The fourth one is fresh whole milk, and the fifth one is powdered milk. Yes, skimmed milk, evaporated milk, condensed milk, fresh whole milk, and then powdered milk. Okay, for the sources of milk, I told us before that we have milk produced from female mammals. Yes, female mammals. And I told us what female mammals are. Okay, animal that produce their young ones alive and they breastfeed their young ones. Okay, we have goats. So one of the sources of our milk is from goats. Yes, and we have cow. You can see the picture of a cow there. We have cow. Cow is another good source of milk. And we have a mother trying to breastfeed our child. We can extract the milk and bottle feed the child, or you get it from other other feeds for children that are milk based. And then we have plant based, the ones that I mentioned for you are other animal based. That's the goats, the cow, and then the mother trying to breastfeed a child. So the milk they are using, or the milk we get from them, is called animal based milk. Now we have plant based milk. Example of plant based milk are soya milk, almond milk. Yes, soya milk and almond milk. Then we have oat milk as well. Oat milk is also an example of plant-based milk, soya milk, and almond milk. Okay, for our milk dishes, we have several dishes that we can prepare using milk, several of them. But I'll be talking about three into this slide. Okay, so the first one I have here is beverage. Okay, tea or coffee. You can add your milk to your tea or your coffee. Okay, so when you add your milk to it makes it creamier and tastes better. Now we have the second dish there. That's oatmeal with milk. Yes, you can use it for, you can use milk for your oatmeal. You can use milk for your pap. And you can use milk for your custard as well. It makes your food creamier and taste delicious. Okay. Now we have the third one here, which is parfait. Good. You use milk to prepare your parfait. All right. And you can see that rich creamy parfait gel produced or prepared using milk products. Okay, so let's have the nutritive value of milk. What are the nutrients found in milk? Okay, we have major ones I've listed out here. We have vitamin. Vitamin is rich. It's rich in milk. Milk is rich in vitamin. Sorry, and vitamin A, especially for clear and bright eyes. You can see the picture of the eyes here. If you want to have clear sight, please take a lot of milk. It helps the eyes. Vitamin A, majorly. Then it helps them. Milk is rich in also, it's also rich in carbohydrates. Yes, it's very rich in carbohydrates, and that's for energy. Milk helps children and adults alike with energy. It builds their energy. And then for fat, milk contains fat. Yes, a good is a good source of fat. And then milk contains protein. Yes, milk contains protein. Protein is milk is rich in protein. And then another one I'll be saying is mineral elements like calcium for strong teeth and strong bones. Yes, milk is rich in mineral elements like calcium, potassium, and phosphorus for strong teeth and bone. We've come to the end of today's class. I hope you've learned something very well. You've learned something quite interesting and something that will help you. All right. So I'll be asking some questions. I would like you to give me the correct answers to for me to know that you have been listening. Okay. So the first question I'll be asking is: we should mention three animal sources of milk. Animal source of milk. Okay. We have. You can mention yours. I told you about. Okay, we have cow, we have sheep, okay, we have goats, okay, we have cattle, buffalo, monkey. Yes, even human being, mothers feed their young ones with milk. Okay, so the second question says plant sources of milk, just mention two. Okay, we have soy milk and then almond milk. Okay, so let's have the nutritive value of milk. The nutrients found in milk, we have mineral elements, we have vitamins, we have protein, okay, carbohydrates, okay. Now, the next question and the last question says milk dishes. What are mentioned for milk dishes? Okay, we have milkshake. Good. Milkshake is a good example of milk dish. Okay, then we have a parfait. All right, what again? Oatmeal or pap. Okay. All right, then we have our beverages, and even for children, food, the children meal as well. Okay, okay. Thank you for showing up again. I really appreciate you coming over and over again. All right, I would love to see you again in our next class. I wanted to go over the slides to be sure you've learned a lot, and I'm assuring you that you'll learn better even in the next class. See you in the next class. Bye.